This video is sponsored by Onward Audio and Automation.
Good thing about Yale Smart Lock is that you can pair and use the smart keypad to lock and unlock just in case your phone battery died. Let's set up your new Yale Smart Keypad. Launch the Yale Access app, go to the menu, set up new device, select Smart Keypad. Remove the back cover, remove the plastic strip, and wait for the blinking red lights. Now your smart keypad is ready for pairing. Select Start Setup. Select Door to connect. Let's test and input code. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and watch my next video.